Namaskar to our 100 days yoga challenge. We continue the grounding and planting the roots. So, we sit with spreaded legs position, spread your legs in front of you and the upper part of the body from waist, drop the upper part of the body on the hand and lean behind little bit. From there, push the feet forward from ankle, the rest of the legs will be relaxed and pull backward towards you, push further from you, pull towards you, push front, pull towards you, push, pull, push, pull as per your ability, do not stretch too much, push forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, and then give a good rotation from the ankle, rotation of the feet from the ankle, and the rest of the leg will be staying as relaxed as possible. Keep rotating, rotate, last time, okay, and the inverse, the reverse direction, 4, 5, 6, keep the legs relaxed, 7, 8, 9, 10, relax, shake your legs, then from there join both the soles of your both feet together and flap the knees from the hip, both legs. You can hold your feet by clasping your palm or clasping your fingers, or just do it as per your ability, hold it. Okay. So, keep flapping. You may keep the feet further or forward depending on your ability. So, just where you feel comfortable, just keep doing it and long deep breathe. With every inhale, you try to stretch your spine as much as possible and keep flapping. From there, you spread one of the leg forward and other ankle on the thigh, okay, and then press the knee for towards the floor and hug. Press the knees towards floor as much as possible, do not stretch too much, and hug your leg towards your chest. Press, hug, push towards floor, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. The other leg, spread one leg, hold the other leg on the top of the thigh and press the knee towards the floor by using your palm, both of the palm, and hug, push, hug towards your chest, push towards the floor, hug. This will help you to sit down with relaxed folded leg position and Padmasana, the lotus position in future. So, this is actually kind of half lotus position, if you can recognize. So, I have a long vision, so slowly I am working towards that. So, and then fold your both the legs together and then stretch the fingers of both hands, stretch, squeeze, stretch as much as possible, squeeze, the knuckle, yeah, from here, stretch all the fingers as much as possible, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze. Keep doing it. Extremely good for the office worker who sit down in front of the office, has shoulder pain, back pain, extremely good. Stretch, squeeze, last time, stretch, squeeze. Fold the thumb inside your palm, fold other 4 fingers on the top of the thumb, join both the fists together and keep rotating from the wrist. Keep rotating, rotate, 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 yes, and try to touch in the front of the knuckles while rotating. It starts from here and then rotate, touch the knuckles and bring back, full rotation and then in reverse direction. So, while doing it, put attention to keep the arm as straight as possible, as per your ability, do not stretch too much. Keep doing it, keep rotating, and from there all 5 fingers together and place in the junction of the arm and shoulder, both legs, and take a big inhale and open your chest and raise your elbow up, and with exhale bring the elbows forward near your in front of your chest and drop from the front. Inhale and open the chest and exhale, drop the elbows from the front. So, make a good circle. So, this is a circular motion of the arms and shoulder junction. Keep rotating. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open the chest, exhale, close the chest. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close, and the reverse direction. So, raise the elbows up from the front, inhale and open the chest and drop it from behind. Inhale and raise the elbow from the front and exhale and drop from behind. Inhale, open the chest and rotate the arm. One more time, one more time, one more time, one last time. Okay, relax. Hold your forearm by your opposite palm and bring it behind your head and behind your spine and stretch to one side of your arm and relax in the middle and stretch the other side. Inhale, relax, exhale, drop to one side. Inhale, bring it to the neutral, exhale, drop it to the other side. Inhale to neutral, exhale, drop, inhale, neutral, exhale. Keep doing it. So, if somebody has difficulty in the beginning, you can hold your palm of both hands like handshake, okay, and do the same thing. So, in the beginning it might be difficult to reach out all the way, and keep the spine and neck as straight as possible and relax. Now, drop your head behind your shoulder and roll half circle from one shoulder to the other shoulder from behind. Means that it is a rolling motion, it is not a rotation, not like this, but it is a rolling motion. So, relax your head like a dead body all the way behind, keep the spine straight and roll the head. The head is very heavy for human, and that's why that human takes a long time to learn swimming. So, and also human takes a lot of time to stand up from when they are baby. So, roll it from one shoulder to another shoulder, one shoulder, back to the other shoulder. Keep attention on the shoulder, that when you bring the head to the shoulder, it should not be raised, it should be relaxed and dropped. Okay, and relax. You must be feeling very good. So, if somebody has neck pain, long office hour, so you can keep doing during the office hour as well. Very good. So, we continue by the lying down on the floor, all right, and then raise one leg and fold it back to your chest, and raise the other leg and do it like a cycling bicycle click. So, both the legs will be in the air and do it like cycling. One leg fold, other leg stretch, bring the other leg folded, bring it towards your body and open the other leg, opposite leg, and one leg fold, opposite leg stretched, and keep doing it like bicycle. Very easy, but both of the legs will be hanging in the air. Okay, and then relax, and then opposite direction like reverse bicycling. Very easy, very easy. Just keep doing it. Just keep the both the legs in the air. So, you might feel some stretch in your lower back, and extremely good for the core, for the hip joint, and relaxing the lower back if somebody has back pain, and also it's strengthen the core of your body. From there, a small relaxation, left hand on the chest, right hand on the stomach. These are for reference, and then we inhale and exhale. Left hand will not move, only right hand will move, which is on the stomach. Inhale, big inhale, and big exhale, and your belly will drop. Inhale with rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, and your belly will drop, right hand will drop, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, belly fall, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your right hand rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, your right hand will fall, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, your belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze everything. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, big belly, and exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, big belly, and exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your belly. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, big belly, and exhale, belly fall, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, belly falls, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, big belly, and exhale, right hand will drop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze your stomach. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. Belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. Belly will fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Belly will fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big belly. Exhale. Belly falls. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. Belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand next to your body. Relax. Normal breathe. And then when you are ready, move your fingers of your hands and legs. Move your palm and feet little bit. Rub your both palms together. Feel the heat by keeping the palm on your eyes, and slowly open the eyes, and then rotate to the right side, and then try to sit down as per your comfortable situation. Thank you for joining.